Hi, my name's Josh, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things related to optimizing and increasing your sales on Amazon. So, if you're looking for a more curated approach to help boost your sales for your brand or your company, I do offer one-on-one consulting services, and you can get in touch via the link in the description below. So today I wanted to talk about a concept that I think gets missed by a lot of sellers, um, and that is the concept around driving external traffic and the first step required for that, which is Amazon attribution. So one of the things that the Amazon algorithm takes into account is external traffic sources, and then it'll actually measure and count the conversions towards your product, and in turn rank it higher within the search rankings on the Amazon website. So I don't really need to go into more about why this is very important, but if you're not already doing it, some of the things you should consider are how you can start driving traffic externally from outside of the Amazon.com platform and onto your product pages to ultimately create conversions. So the first step in order to do this, which I think is an essential one, you can do it without it, but I don't recommend it, is to set up your measurement and your analytics for these third-party traffic sources. And luckily, Amazon does have a solution for that. This is something that's relatively new, but what it does is it allows you to create tracking codes and track sales for any specific products or URLs that you're driving external users from. So the name of that program here on screen is the Amazon Attribution program. And you can find that either by putting into Google Amazon Attribution or going to advertising.amazon.com and selecting it as a product. This program is free to sign up for, and it's pretty easy to use. You just sign up and you go in there and you add your products, or you generate a product URL. You can do that for any product on the platform, but in this case, we're just going to be talking about scaling your specific products. Once you have that tracking URL, you're going to use that URL in any third party campaign or ecosystem or post to link consumers to. And then what it's going to do is it's going to start measuring it. And then it's also going to give you data as well that you can view and help you optimize your third-party tracking sources. A lot of the time in the past, this wasn't possible. A lot of people were fairly blind to how, a Facebook ad that they were using to drive traffic to their product page was performing. So now you have a lot more visibility into that. And I think if you're looking at eventually setting up a third-party traffic solution, what you can do is you can start by signing up for this and using it kind of as the baseline to structure the entire operation. So you can see here just some basics. You'll learn more obviously when you register and sign in. But how does it work? Well, it allows you to generate URLs, to track and measure performance and impact of your third-party traffic sources. And then with that, you can kind of identify and optimize where the performance is good, where it's coming from, what kind of return on investment you're getting, and drive more towards that or remove certain sources that aren't performing well. And that's going to be a huge advantage. So today in this video, I just wanted to kind of go over this very briefly. If you check out my other videos, you'll see that I go more in depth in terms of what kind of third-party traffic sources you can leverage. There's a lot of different ones out there, being email, being ads, posting links on websites, Pinterest, etc. So there's a lot of different strategies. You can learn more about those by visiting and viewing the other videos on my channel. And for today, that's it, and take care.